Great. I'm really happy to get it. I'm proud to receive it.
And you're no stranger to Irish soil either, are you? I mean, you've
No, of
family
course not.
connections here too.
Yeah, family connections. But I worked here for so long. I mean, it was a pretty arduous shoot here when 13 years ago. So that's why I have grey hair now, because of this place. You know.
Do you notice a difference between the Ireland of now and the Ireland of 13 years ago? Do you notice a difference in this country?
I've only been here for 2 days, so I can't really tell you. And any other time I've come over here, I've snuck in, gone into the country, and had conversations with sheep. So it's like, I'm really not the best one to ask. I'd have to hang around for a while and look, I think.
But film awards like this, how important are they for the Irish film industry, do you think?
I think it creates awareness and a pride in them, and it may spur younger people to sort of come up and try and achieve. And the more work that happens, the more proficient they'll get, and the more proficient they'll get, the more they can change the planet, they can change the world, they can change life. I mean, you can change life with a work of art, you know. I met the Minister for the Arts this evening, and he seems cut from the same cloth as the man who was there when I was here, as Michael Higgins. And yeah, I mean,